Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel. Looking for the perfect pair of pencil high heels for elevate your style? In this video, we bring you the latest design ideas for pencil heels that blend elegance with modern trends. From sleek pointed toe designs to artistic and bold styles, those high heels are perfect for any occasion. Explore a variety of colors, materials, and intricate details that make each pair stand out. Whether you are going for a classic, sophisticated look or something more daring and unique, those pencil high heels will inspire your next fashion statement. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.